Hi guys, today we'll discuss about what are the important formulas we should study. Uh, the credits for making this PDF is goes to erforum.net, and here I will mark important concepts formulas so that you can study this. So no need to go for this column. Units, no need for examinations, you no need. And here this is also no need because in gate you will be provided calci. No need, no need. This is also no, you know that. Quadratic equations, yes, this you should learn. This you should learn. Cubic equations, uh, this is no need in gate. No need, no need, no need. Progressions, yes, yes, this you need. No need. Arithmetic, this you may need it. This you may need it in arithmetics, means in aptitude you need this. And permutations, combinations, you need this. Binomial union, logarithmic, in aptitude, aptitude, partial fractions, yes, this you need. Very important, not here in Laplace transforms, because there you should find roots. For that you need partial fraction, so learn this for Laplace transforms. And matrices, yes, you need. Entire chapter is there in gate. And geometry, no need. It will be used in aptitude, but not here, not in useful in aptitude also, because it is a very general thing. In aptitude you no need to use formulas. It will done with some basic concepts. No need, no need actually. Only this formula is important. Angle between two lines, circle no need, parabola no need, ellipse no need, and you can ignore entire things. But this is very important. Based upon the equations in gate, many times questions are asked on this. They will give some equation, for that compare this with the standard equation and get value of a, get value of b, get value of h. By using ab minus h square you can say about parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, and so on. So and cuboid, volume formulas, yes, this is useful for aptitude. Very useful for aptitude in any examination. Trigonometry, yes, aptitude. Science, no need. This science, yes, okay. This formula very useful. This also useful, yes. This no need. Series, yes, very useful. Logarithmic German series, yes. Complex number, this entire chapter is there for this, so one formula will not replace that. So this entire chapter you refer the complex numbers chapters. Hyperbolic function, yes, you need. Differential calculus, entire chapter is there for gate. So whatever it is here, just have a look at this. Asymptotes, no need for you. Envelope, no need. Envelope, no need. This will come in signals and some other concept, like in controls. They will cause about counter, poles you will find about counter and also on. So this you no need here. It will be useful in that particular. Asymptotes also in root locus you'll find about asymptotes and so on. So that is different scenario. But these two series are very important. Very important. I can't say how much, because this Maclaurin's and Taylor series, just replace a is equal to 0 in Maclaurin, so that these two has some relation, and it is useful for finding so much about approximations. Even you use this Taylor series in power systems, also in load flow studies, while calculating approximation of Newton times method. Partial differentiation, very important. It is there for gate. Maximum minima there for gate. Jacobian, useful, very useful, not directly in mathematics, but it will be useful in power systems and so on. So there you will be calculating Jacobian. or if you change the axis from xy to uv, it is there, right? Jacobian is there. It is simple, like if I, for example, you have a axis which is about x and y. Now you shifted this axis to u and v, so this circle is shifted to u and v, change of axis. So you need a Jacobian to do that, right? Integration you have done, entire formulas, have a look at this. Gamma function here is useful to calculate complex integrals, where when integration is very complex, then gamma and beta will be useful. Okay, vector, yes, you have vectors in gate, yes, and these are all vectors. It will be useful, it will be coming in EMF. Okay, EMF subject in electrical. And so here the vectors, because in the EMF, when things will be represented with help of vector, like voltage vector and so on. So EMF, even electric field is a vector, it will goes from positive to negative. So these vectors will be added, multiplied, and find out area, and all these things will be done with help of vectors. And Stokes theorem, yes, divergence theorem, yes, these are theorems which you will find in EMF chapter. Coordinate systems, yes, very important. This is a basic chapter in EMF in the starting introduction, where some coordinates will be changed from polar, cylindrical, and spherical. Don't go for arc length, Jacobian, and all. This is just for reference. Use this table for reference, but exactly you will find relations in EMF chapter. Differential equations, yes, gate, Leibniz, linearity, and everything is gate. Make a short notes of these things. Very important. Like every heading is there in gate. Important. And Fourier series, yes, useful. It will come in signals and systems for you. So these formulas which you are using is slightly different notations you will be using in signals and systems in the chapter Fourier series, because in signals we have Fourier series, Fourier transforms, Z transforms, Laplace transforms, and so on. So in Fourier series you will be using here. Why it is mainly to represent a signal in terms of its harmonic, first harmonic, second harmonic, third harmonic, and the moment you get the harmonics, it will be useful in power electronics, because in power electronics they'll talk about harmonic detection and so on. So transforms, Laplace, yes, it will be usable in signals, and in communications also Laplace transform will be used for some extent. It will be very useful in networks. In networks you will be solving transients and special circuits. In transients and special circuits I will be using Laplace transforms to solve the equation very smoothly. Okay, this is very useful for Laplace in networks and signals also. Everything is there. Fourier transforms, don't study here, go for signals and systems, you will be studying there. So these formulas will be slightly different in signals and systems. Z transforms, study in signals and systems only, not here. Statistics and probability, yes, important for aptitude also. Standard deviation, mean, median, and all this in aptitude also, and in gate also important. Yes, regression lines important, very important. This no need. Skewness no need. About mean, yes. Probability, yes. Binomial, yes. Poisson, yes. Normal distribution, yes. So this binomial and Poisson are very important. So these people, if any difficult question gate should come, then it will come under binomial or Poisson theorem. Numerical methods, important for gate, 2 marks. Identity they will go for this Newton-Raphson. This they will go for Newton-Raphson. Now they are going for Runge-Kutta method, third order, fifth order, so on, so to make it more difficult, right? Trapezoidal rule, yes, important. So these are the formulas, and each subject I have mentioned where exactly, which exam, which subjects it is useful. So take a paper, say for example in Laplace transforms. So take a paper, Laplace transforms in bracket signals, and what about other subjects, networks and mathematics. So these are the overlapping topics. This topic will be repeating. So the gate syllabus will be 100%, but we are reducing gate syllabus into 60 or 70% because we can revise it smoothly, right? Yes. So mathematics, with help of the mathematics, these are the formulas and things should be comes under fingertips. Thank you. We will see you in next lecture. If you want more analysis and more easy way to study gate, please like and subscribe. Comment in the comment section. I